Here's the B25 Panchito generator test stand. Started off life as a riding mower made by John Deere. 18 horsepower engine, belt driven, turning a Lovejoy coupler to the spline shaft on the generator. There's two bolts that hold the generator on, so it's easy to change the generator out for testing multiple generators. Over here we have all the components of the generator tester. The black thing down on the bottom is a shunt for the amp meter. This is the reverse current relay. This is the over voltage relay. Basically lights the generator failure light on the console. This is a voltage regulator itself. It has a quick attach socket for changing the voltage regulator. Is easy. It can be adjusted while it's in line. This is the field circuit relay, field control circuit relay, and next to it is the generator failure light relay and all the related connections. The aluminum plate that everything's mounted on is important because almost all of these components have internal grounds, so we're using the plate to mount the parts, and that's where they get their ground from. Over here is our control console. We have an ignition switch to start the engine, the generator on-off switch with the reset button, the red generator failure light. Here we have a rotary switch that allows you to select the off position. Of course, you can read the battery or bus voltage by itself. You can read the generator voltage by itself, and we added a connection in there for monitoring the regulator voltage, how much volts the regulator is putting out, and it can all be displayed right here on the voltmeter. Up here are the circuit breakers associated with the charging circuit. They came right off the B25 schematic. And the two lights here on the left are indicating the position that the field control relay is in. The field control relay flips from one position to another and remains stationary there. So these two lights allow you to see what position it's in. They're green in color.